To make the doll's body, I cut a circle of 27 centimeters. Let's make a yo-yo. Let's baste all the way around here, up and down, until the end. After we've basted all the way around, just fill it with yo-yo. Guys, here on the channel there's a video where I teach you how to make circles of all sizes, okay? Then I'm going to leave it like this. Look, an opening here. I won't close it all the way, see? I'm going to leave a little opening here like this, because after I finish it off, I'll fill it with more yo-yos until it gets really round. I left it just a little open, see, because now I'm going to fill it with stuffing until it gets really round. After I filled it all up, see, it got really fluffy, then we can come here and make a few stitches to close this up, see? I'll keep stitching until it's closed. All done, see? To make the head, I cut a 14 centimeter circle and we're going to do it just like I did with the body, see? Make a yo-yo and fill it with stuffing. Then we fill it with stuffing. It doesn't get perfectly round. So, see, I do it just like I did with the body. I leave an opening and start putting stuffing in here, see? And I keep adjusting it until I get rid of these little curves here. Look. You can really put a lot of stuffing in until it gets nice and round. Then we're going to fill it up, see, until it looks like this, nice and round. It even gets a bit firm. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of glue down here. I'm going to press it down and wait for it to dry. Guys, press it there, see, and keep holding it until it dries, okay? To make the feet, I cut two 10 centimeter circles and it's the same thing. This little doll is basically all made the same way, guys. Yo, 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 yo. Look, just baste everything and fill it with stuffing. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, like and share it. Send it to your friend on WhatsApp and to the groups you're in. That way, you're helping me and helping the channel grow. And you're also helping your friends get out of depression and make some money. Everybody wins, right? And look, just baste all the way around and fill it with stuffing. Little yo-yo is ready. Now we just have to glue it here in the front, see? So, guys, you look at it like this first, right? Before gluing, see? Look where you want to glue this little foot, okay? Think about it, all right? Because if you glue it downwards like this, the little doll won't sit properly, okay? So Myrna, make sure exactly where you're going to glue it, okay? See? And then apply the hot glue and hold it until the hot glue dries. A thread right here. Oh my God. Look. You have to hold it to dry, otherwise the hot glue shows. Look here. Now we hold it and wait. To make the little hand, it's the same thing. To make the little hand, I cut two circles of 9 centimeters. Let's baste and fill with stuffing. After we make the yo-yo then, if you want, you can do it like this, look. Pass the thread here, pretend they're the little fingers. Look. This doesn't have to be exact, guys. Look. Each one turns out a little differently, okay? It's that simple, look. Come here and take a little stitch at the back. Now just glue the little hands here however you want. Then you come here, guys, before using the hot glue, okay? See how you want this little hand to be. If you need to, put a little pin there to mark the right spot. And then it's the same thing, okay? Put this hand on, press it, and wait for it to stick really well, okay? I'll wrap the hair around 2 fingers 12 times to make it. I tie it in the middle here and the little strands are ready. Guys, you can do the hair a different way. This is just the easiest way to make hair. But I know you all will get creative and make this little doll even more beautiful. So, I already have it ready here, look. We use about 20 strands more or less. Now you just have to glue them here one by one, see? But you can come up with other styles. Make hairstyles you already know how to do, right? The more styles you come up with, the cuter she gets. I'm going to stuff her now and I'll be back. Look at this little girl with all those curls. I made a bow here, guys. You can make the little bow however you want. More decorated, simpler, a store-bought bow, see? You can add a flower. That's up to each person's taste. Look how cute this little doll turns out, guys. Isn't it just adorable? And you can make a boy too, see? Make a couple. Now look how I did the hair. I made the little curl just like the girls. I cut it here, like this, see? I cut all the little curls. You can leave it curly too if you want. After I cut it, I glued it. So now you can leave it all nice and neat. Or you can come here, look. Go ahead and fix it up. Look. Go ahead. Do it carefully, keep adjusting, until it's the way you want it. I'm going to cut everything here. I'll come back so you can see. Keep cutting there, look. Keep thinning it out. Look how cute this thing turns out, guys. Now let's make a little bow tie for him. Look. I cut a little piece of felt, about 5 by almost 4 centimeters. Now all we have to do is do it like this, look. I'm doing it this way, but you can do it however you want, right, guys? There you go, look. Just fix it a little bit here in the middle, like this. Bring the middle together. Right here. And pass the thread here like this. See, it already forms a little bow tie. That's what I say. This is the easiest way there is. You can get creative if you want. The little Fuxico doll couple is ready. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. And you guys, what did you like the most? The boy or the girl? I can't even say which one I liked more, because I'm in love. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video, wishing you health and peace.